Hello friends, welcome to Adda 24/7. We are in the Shikhar series for ABM. Actually, Shikhar series, as I always tell you, it's for all the subjects. ABM, BFM, ABFM, BRBL. I am covering ABM and BFM. So today I will be covering numericals on probability. Sure, in this series we cover theory, numericals, objective questions, everything. So today it will be numericals. So like the video, share this video with everyone, like the channel, subscribe to the channel, click on the bell icon, don't miss it. Okay, so let's start. First, a sack contains 3 pink balls and 7 green balls. What is the probability to draw 1 pink ball and 2 green balls in one draw? Now, before going to the solution, firstly understand what is probability and how to solve it. For solving the probability problem, first what you have to do is, you have to look at the formula. The formula for probability is, this is the formula, probability. Probability equals to probability success divided by your sample space. Success upon sample space, or you can call it very simple language, in more simple language, required. What is required? Divided by this total. It's more simpler. Generally in books they use success upon sample space, from chances of success upon total sample space. I use it in simple language, required, what is required by me and what is the total. So now in this case, look at this, a sack contains 3 pink and 7 green balls. So what is the total number of balls this pack is having? It is total is 10, right? 3 plus 7. Now what do I require? What is the probability to draw 1 pink ball? So what do I require? 1 pink. And it is and means what? Always remember it's multiplication. Whenever you have whenever you have and, it's multiply. Whenever you have or, it's plus. Okay? Whenever you have and, it's multiply. Whenever you have or, it's plus. So you want 1 pink ball and 2 green balls. 2 green balls. Okay? So this is what is required. 1 pink and 2 green upon 10. Total is 10. Okay. Now how to solve this? Once you get this idea very clear, that what you want, your required is 1 pink ball and means multiply, and total is this 10. So let's move on now. So simple logic, probability equals to success upon sample space. Okay. Now what is a sample space? Sample space is total 10. Out of them, what I have to select? 1 pink and 2 green. So when I say 1 pink and 2 green, it means total how many? 3. So I have to select now 3 balls out of 10 balls. So see this, 3 pink and 7 green. These are the total. This is my sack or bag. These are the 3 pink balls. These are the 7 green balls. Out of them I have to select 3 in success. Sample space. Net what am I doing? I am selecting 3 balls. So sample space knows only one thing. How many are selected in total? Tell me that. That is sample space. So here I am selecting 3. And now how 3 can be selected out of 10? For that we have a combination formula. What is this combination formula? This combination formula is always written as NCR. NCR. Let me write it over here. Okay, it is always written as NCR. NCR means, see this, NCR. N means total number of balls. C is combination and R is required. Okay, total, combination, required. And what is the formula for this? NCR formula is always, look at this, N factorial divided by R factorial into n minus r factorial. This is the formula for combination. NCR. Okay. Now what is factorial? Factorial means what? Go on multiplying. Means suppose if I want 5 factorial, it means 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. This is factorial. Multiplication up to 1, not up to 0. 0 is not used, up to 1 only. Because 0 if you multiply everything will be 0 then. So that is NCR. Similarly, R factorial means R, whatever R is required into all this up to 1. Got it? So now let's solve this. 10C3. Okay. So 10 factorial upon R factorial, that is 3 factorial, into n minus R factorial, that is 10 minus 7 factorial. So that is 10 minus 3 factorial, that is 7. Got it? Clear everyone? What is factorial? Clear? How to solve this factorial? 10 factorial divided by R factorial, that is 3. This is R, into 10 minus 3, that is 7. 7 factorial. So how to solve this? 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 into all this upon 3 factorial means 3 into 2 into 1. What is 7 factorial? 7 into 6 into 5 into 4. So all this. So what have I done? Instead of solving all the things ahead, what have I done? This 7 factorial, I have cancelled it with 7 factorial over here. See this. This will be 7 factorial multiplied by. So 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 factorial divided by here also 7 factorial. That gets cancelled. So 10, 9, 8 upon 3 to 1. So solve this. You will get this answer as 10 into 3. 3 1s are 3 3s are. 2 1s are 2 4s are. So 3, 10 3s are 30, 4s are 120. So 120 is the answer. Okay. Got it? 120 is the answer. This is for 10C3. So you have got the denominator now. Always when you solve any probability problem, always focus on the denominator first. Because that is easier to find out. Success is very difficult to find out. Okay? In our life also, right? Success is difficult to find out. Denominator is easy to find out. Now let's look at success. What do I want? 1 pink and 2 green balls. Now try to solve this. 1 pink and 2 green. And means multiply. How many pink balls are there? 3 are there. Out of these 3, I have to select 1. So I will be solving how? 3C1. Same as earlier. 3C1. So what is 3C1? 3 factorial divided by 1 factorial into 2 factorial. 3 minus 1. Okay. Similarly over here. 2 green balls, right? I want to select 1 pink and 2 green. So how many green balls are there? 7. So 7C2. 7 factorial upon 2 factorial into 7 minus 2, that is 5 factorial. Solve this. See this, 3 factorial means what? Try to cancel this as fast as possible. So 3 factorial means what? 3 into 2 into 1. What is 2 factorial? 2 into 1. Cancel this. So will remain, what will remain is only 3. So 3 over here. Now what this? 7 factorial, 2 factorial, 5 factorial. What will it be? 7 into 6 into 5 factorial. So 5 will get cancelled. So 7 into 6 now. Right? 7 into 6. So 2 factorial is 2. See, I might have solved it over here. Yeah, see this. You can solve this over here also. So, see this. 7 into 6 upon 2 into 1. Simple. That much. 7 into 6, 2 into 1. Because 5 factorial will get cancelled. So 2 1s are, 2 3s are. 7 3s are 21. Right? 21. This answer is 21 over here. And this answer is 3. So 3 into 21. 3 into 21. It becomes 63. So your answer is 63. See, what is this? This is success because you require and multiply. If they would have asked you or, means 1 pink or 2 green balls, then it would have been plus. Whenever there is or, you always plus. Whenever there is and, you always multiply. Okay. So here I'll multiply 3 into 21, 63. So my success is what? Success is 63. So now use the probability. Formula for probability is what? 63 divided by 120. Success upon sample space. Divide this. You will get the answer as 0.523. 0.523. Got it? So this is the probability. Kindly note, your probability can never be greater than 1, can never be less than 0. Never. If you are getting the probability which is greater than 1 or less than 0, kindly note you have done some error over here. Okay? So next now, read this everyone. Similar, we have two problems. This is one more is there. Similar. There are 20 employees in Alpha Technologies. 5 of them are postgraduates in IT, Information Technology. 4 of them have completed MBAs. 3 employees are selected at random. Find the probability that all the 3 are postgraduates in IT. So you want what now? All the 3 should be postgraduates in IT. So now, first understand what is the sample space. See, formula for probability. Never forget the formula. What is the formula for probability? The formula for probability is success, right? Success divided by sample space. So now write each one. What is the sample space? Always try to solve denominator first. What is the sample space? Sample space means total, how many employees are there? 20 employees. 20. Out of them, how many you have to select? 3 employees are selected. You have to select 3. So 20C3. Out of 20, you have to select 3. Okay? So 20C3. Now what do you want? What is the success? Find the probability that all the 3 postgraduates are postgraduates in IT. So success means what? You want IT guy only. What you want is IT guy. How many IT guys are there? 5. So out of 5, you want all the 3. So out of 5, you have to select 3. So this is your success. So solve it. See this. Probability equals to success upon sample space or required upon total. What is my success now? Or let's solve the denominator first. So what is my total now or sample space over here? 20C3. 20C3 means what? 20 factorial. Everyone solve this. Everyone try to solve this. 20C3. 20 factorial upon 3 factorial into, let me take it from you guys. I'll answer it later. First you solve, try to solve this. 20C3. Do it. 20 factorial divided by 3 factorial into 17 factorial. 17. 17, right? Are you getting this? 20 factorial upon 3 factorial into 17 factorial. N minus R. Okay? N C R. N factorial upon R factorial into N minus R factorial. So solve it. What are you getting? See this. 23, 7, 17. So this will get cancelled. 20 into 19 into 18, 17 gets cancelled. 3 into 2 into 1. Solve this. 3 to the 6, 6 3 is 18. Right? Yeah. 3 to the 6 and 6 3 is 18. So 20 into 19 into 3. Multiply this. 20 into 19 into 3. So you will get this as 1140. Find the answer. Are you getting it? 1140. 20 into 19 into 3. Because 3 to the 6, 6 3 is 18. Okay, so 3 it will be over here. So you get it as 1140. Now what is required then? Required means what? You want success. So success is what? Out of 5, 3 are to be selected. So 5C3. 5 factorial divided by 3 factorial into 2 factorial. Solve this. 5 into 4 into 3 upon 2 factorial gets cancelled. 3 into 2 into 1. So that also gets cancelled. What you get? Answer is 10. Okay. 3 to the 6. This gets cancelled. So solve this. You will get it as 10. Okay. So the answer which you get is 10 over here. So what is the probability then? Success upon this sample space. So 10 divided by 1140. So it is 1 upon 1140. 0 gets cancelled and this is your answer. Okay. This is how you will be solving it, the normal probability problems. Generally you will get some of these like this because these are asked for 1 marks only. Next. A sack contains 4 black balls and 5 red balls. What is the probability to draw 1 black ball? Now this you can solve. Let me see. You try it yourself. Everyone. Try it yourself. Yes. Check it everyone. Try to solve it. Yeah. Here, similar to that of the earlier problem. It is very similar to the earlier problem. 4 black and 5 red, right? 4 black and 5 red. So now you answer me one by one. Chalo. Let's see. What is the formula for probability first? What is the formula for probability? Yeah. Probability equals to, what is the formula? Success divided by sample space or total, isn't it? Now, first solve, what did I say? First solve denominator. So first solve this. This is easy to solve. In sample space means total. What is the total? 4 and 5. Total is what? Total. N equals to 4 plus 5. 9. What is R? Required. What is required over here? 1 black ball. Now let it be black or white or anything. For total you require total. How many are to be selected in total? 1. Okay. So R equals to 1. So you got NCR for this. So find out NCR. NCR. So that is equal to 10. No, not 10. Sorry. It is 9. Okay. So it is 9C1. Correct? 9C1. Seeing this? 9C1. Now what about the success numerator? You want to select what? 1 black ball. How many black are there? This 4. 4C1. Solve this everyone. 4C1 divided by 9C1. Get the answer. Simple one. Get the answer everyone. 4C1 divided by 9C1. Try it. You try for some time. Let me see in the comment section what is the answer you are getting. Okay, what is the answer for this numerator? 4C1. So 4 factorial divided by, I'll directly write now, 1 factorial divided by 3 factorial, right? 4 factorial divided by 1 factorial divided by 3 factorial. So this 3 factorial will get cancelled. So 4 upon 1. So answer is 4 over here, 4. Right? 4 factorial, 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Denominator 3 into 2 into 1. So that gets cancelled. 4 remains. 1 factorial is 1. What about the denominator? 9C1. So kindly remember, whenever you have R as 1, your answer is always the upper number, 9. So here also, it is 9 factorial upon 1 factorial into 8 factorial. 9 factorial upon 1 factorial into 8 factorial. Okay. So that 8 will get cancelled. So it is simply 9. Answer is 9. So your answer is what? 9. So what are you getting the answer as? 4 upon 9. So probability equals to 4 upon 9, or you can write it in point. So remember, your probability should always be less than 1. In any case, say this. Okay, denominator 9C1, numerator 4C1, 4 upon 9. Okay, done, simple. Next. There are 10 employees of Beta Technologies. Now similar problem, I told you, we are having similar problem, but this is a bit different. So what is the difference in this? Let's see. There are 10 employees in Beta Technologies. 5 of them are PGs in IT. 4 of them are MBA. That's okay. So that is common. 5 and 4. 4 employees are to be selected at random. 4 are selected now. Okay. Now the question is, find the probability that none of the 3 are postgraduates or MBA. So none are postgraduates or MBA. We don't want any PG. We don't want any MBA. Now this problem is difficult. It's not that simple. Let me see. Try it everyone. This problem is really difficult. You want a negative probability. None of them is PG or MBA. Both of them, you don't want anyone. So, how to solve this? Again, same logic. How many are selected? See this. First, find out probability equals to, I'll write from here. You are able to see this? See this, probability, this side is easy, I think so, yeah. So, probability equals to success upon this sample space, right? Success upon sample space. So what is the sample space over here? First denominator. Solve denominator first. What is sample space over here? Let's write. I'll write from here so that we have enough space. Sample space equals to, how many are selected? 4 employees. What is N? Total. Sample space means total. How many total employees are there? 10. So N equals to 10. How many are selected? 4 employees are selected. 4. So 4. R equals to 4. Right? So find out now. Find out 10C4. So sample space equals to 10C4. Get the answer everyone. Everyone, 10 factorial divided by 4 factorial into 6 factorial. Right? Solve this. Everyone try to solve this. You must get this. 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 into 6. So this 6 will get cancelled. And 4 factorial is what? 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Solve it. So, able to see this? 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 upon 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Right? Getting this? Solve it. 4 to the 8 gets cancelled. 3 1s are 3 3s are. Right? So 7 3s are 21 into 10. 210. So 210. So your sample space is what? 210. 210. This is your sample space. Right? Getting this clear? The numerator is difficult. Success. What do you want success? Success is a negative success you want it over here. Success. You want negative success over here. Means you don't want PG also, MB also. For that, what do you want to do? You'll have to first find out the PG and MBA. You'll have to first find out PG and MBA. Okay. So they don't want find a probability that none of the three are postgraduates or MBAs. They are not PGs also, they are not MBAs also. Okay. So what is the success for getting the PG? How do I select a PG? 5 of them are PGs and I have to select what? 1. So see here, first don't consider this negative part. This negative part let's leave it at the end. First let's select that either of them is probability that all of them are this graduates or MBAs. All of them are graduates or MBAs. We'll do it like this. So first what we'll do is all are graduates or MBA. This is what we'll first find out. Okay. All are graduates or MBA. How is this? Or means what? Plus. Okay. Or means plus. All are graduates. So either 4 are selected. So out of these 5 means 5 are IT guys, right? So I'll select out of these 5 C4. Then I'll get IT graduates. Or I'll select what is this? 4 employees are MBA and 4 are to be selected. So 4C4. 4C4. This is we are right now finding out all our graduates or MBAs, and when we get the answer, we'll subtract it from 1. Whatever answer we get, we'll subtract it. Because that is known as a complementary event. Complementary. What is complementary? Both of them can't exist. When one occurs, other can't occur. Okay. So find this. 5C4. What is 5C4? Just simple as that of that earlier one. When you have just one number before, so it will be what? 5C4. 5 factorial divided by 4 factorial into 1 factorial. So this answer will be simply 5. 5. Okay, it will be simply 5. What is the next one? 4C4. 4C4 means 4 factorial. This is a bit confusing. Let me show you this. 4C4. So 4 factorial divided by 4 factorial into 0 factorial. 4 minus 4. N factorial divided by R factorial into N minus R factorial. Right? So this gets cancelled. 0 factorial is 1. So the answer for this full is 1. So the answer is what? 5 plus 1. 5 plus 1. So that is equal to 6. 6. Okay. So you are getting the answer as 6. So now, first what you do is find out the probability that they are either graduates or MBAs. First find out the probability for that. What is the probability? Success upon sample space. So it will be, where will I write? Shall I write it over here? So probability now, okay, now it's separate. Probability equals to success upon this. So 6 divided by 210. But this probability is not the one which you require. You don't require this. What is this? They are either this graduates, PGs or MBA. So PG or MBA. This is the probability which you have got right now. But do you want this? Do you want this? You want the reverse one. You want neither of them. None of them are these. Okay? None of these 4. Not 3, 4. None of the 4. Okay? None of the 4 are PG or MBA. So what will you do in this case? This is complementary event. In complementary event, what do we do? So required probability equals to 1 minus this 6 upon 210. 1 minus 6 upon 210. So 210 minus 6, 204. So 204 divided by 210. How is this 204? 210 into 1, cross this. 210 into 1 minus 6 upon 210. So you get this 204 upon 10. So this is your answer. Okay, these answers are different. These are all not required. Okay, these are all not the correct answers. This question is similar to, you get a question in the exams nowadays. That a question in the exam is how? Without options. Okay, so this is similar to that. You will simply get this question and no option will be given to you. No option. So what you have to do is find out the answer and write this answer. Either this, or you can write this what? In point. So 204 upon 210. Whatever is the point answer, you will get it. So anything, that's okay. Important point over here was, you must know what I mean by complementary event. Complementary means what? When one event occurs, the other is not occurring. Means what? Either today it is day or it's night. It can be both. I can have day also and night also. Okay? Or either I can pass or I can fail. I can be both. I passed also, failed also, nothing. Okay? So this is how this numerical is to be solved. Complementary event, very important part this is. There are many events, exhaustive, exclusive, complementary. You have to learn each one. Okay? 2 coins are tossed 500 times. My God. 2 coins are tossed 500 times. And we get 2 heads 105 times, or 1 head 275 times, or no head 120 times. Find the probability of each event to occur, or forget this each event. Find the probability, that's it. Chalo. Forget this each event. So 2 coins are tossed 500 times. I take 2 coins and toss them 500 times. So in this case now, you want either 2 heads 105 times, or 1 head 275 times, or you want no head 120 times. So this is the probability you require. Or means plus. Or means plus. Okay. So now, how to solve this? Try it, everyone. Try this. Or see this. First we'll write it probability of 105. So I'll write it like this. Directly shall we move on? Isn't it? From this side. This side the camera is okay, it seems. Right? P105. What is this? Head. Head. All these heads na? 2 heads 105 times. So 105 times 2 heads. 2 heads. Or probability of 1 head 275 times. 275 times 1 head. Or what is the third one? No head 120 times. So probability of, what is 120 times no head? 0 head. Okay? 0 head. Okay? So this is what you have to find out. This or this or this. All the 3. So how to find this out? 105 2 heads you want. 2 heads 105 times. Try to solve this, everyone. Simple it is. Okay? It's very simple. Try it, everyone. See, our problem is very easy, but this requires the basic understanding of probability. Understanding. What do you mean by understanding of probability? Let me show you this. See here, if I throw 2 coins, okay, let's say only once. I'll throw 2 coins only once. Okay, so let's say this is coin 1, this is coin 2. I'll throw 2 coins only once. What can I get? I can get either head, right? Or second, what can I get? Second chance. Or I can get tail. Or what can I get? Or I can get head and tail. Or I can get tail or head. tail and head. So these two can be combined. These two. Both of them are one and the same. So you can combine this, either head and tail or head. So what is the what is any other possibility possible in this? Any other possibility? Is there any other possibility which can occur? Never. Okay. In that Sholay movie, nobody might be remembering now. Amitabh Bachchan, Dharmendra, one of the hit movies in 1975-80. Very good. In that there was a coin which stood like this. Means it no head, no tail. It just stood like this. Okay, straight. So that is not possible in practical life. So now what will happen in this case? Either you will get head, tail, or head tail or tail head. Anything. So now look at this combination. You are having two heads. This is over here. One head. So this is over here. Zero head means this is over here. So there are only three possibilities possible and all the three are described over here. That's why I said we require the knowledge of probability over here. Kindly note, when you have all the possibilities, the total of these possibilities, all these possibilities, total of these, okay, the total of these possibilities will always be equal to 1. Always. Whenever you have all the possibilities, whatever possibilities are there, possible, they are there over here. So the total of these will always be equal to 1. So the answer for this will be 1. It will be 1. If you want to check, we'll check this. Not an issue. We can definitely check this. See this. Find out the probability for 105 first. 105. So what is that? Let's write it down. 105. It is very simple. Success upon total. What is my total? My total is 500 times I am rolling this coin. So 500. What is my success? I want 105 times. Okay. Second, what is the probability? 275. 275 upon 500. And third, what is the probability? That 120 upon 500. Okay. Do the total of each. Divide it and get the total of each. You will see the answer. Do the total of each. Yeah. Find the total of each, everyone. So 105 upon 500 is 105 upon 500. It is 0.21 plus 275 upon 500 is 0.55, 0.55 plus 120 upon 500. So it is 0.24. Get the total. Get the total of all these. You will get it as 1 only. Okay? You will get it as 1. Got it, everyone? So this is how this knowledge of probability is required over here. Kindly note, whenever all the possibilities are there and you add all the possibilities, the answer of that probability will always be equal to 1. Okay? So that was it about the numericals here. Two of them were okay type, but two were difficult. This one and that earlier one. None of them that one. So practice this again. Join the paid batches. In paid batches, I am taking so many numericals over here. So many. How to join this? Go to Adda 24/7. Always go through the app. Always go through the app. In the app, you will be getting 1% extra. Okay? You get 1% extra in app. So always join through the app only. Okay? Go to Adda 24/7. Click on JIB and CAIIB. Look at this. JIB and CAIIB. Click on CAIIB June 25. Okay? Look at this bonus batch. Click on this bonus batch. Ebooks, mock tests, online live classes, best in class material, latest patterns, self-paced learning, device compatibility, everything you are getting. And what is the discount? Look at the discount part. Click on buy now. Okay, buy now over here. Here you see, put the code. Never forget the code. What is the code I gave you? Y432. On the slide you saw now? Y432. Right? Y432. Enter. So you'll get 80% discount. Look at this. 80% discount you are getting plus 1% extra using the coin systems. Coin system means download the app through the app only. Go through the app only. Don't go through anything else. Don't go through the website. Okay, beware of the fake websites. So go through the app. 80% plus 1% you'll be getting. Now, if you want to join here, I would always suggest you to join Mahapack also. In Mahapack, you get multiple batches per subject. So this Mahapack. You get multiple batches per subject. See this CAIIB Mahapack. Click on this Mahapack. Right now you are getting double validity. Double validity means you buy for 6 months, you get it for 12 months. Huge offer. See this. Buy for 6, get it for 12. Plus 81% off is already there. So you are getting both of them. But never forget a code for that. The code is same. Y432. Y432. Never forget this Y432. This is the best code for the discounts, maximum discount. See this, 80% discount plus 1% extra. Okay. So don't miss it and join the batches ASAP. I'll be back again with another series, another subject, another topic on BFM, ABM.